Hey guys, we are back today with a new keyboard. Let me tell you, this thing is insane, okay? You gotta stay for the whole video. This is the RK84 limited edition Macchiato keyboard. It's white. You're gonna see pretty soon, but let's start with the unboxing. So first of all, you got the keyboard. I'm gonna put this on the side and let's see what's in the box. This keyboard is yellow switches, so you got like 4 spare switches if one broke or something like that. The sound of these switches are really insane. I've never heard yellow switches before, so yeah, this is it. Next up in the box, you got the cable, white cable to match the white keyboard. You got some feet for your keyboard. I'm gonna show you in a moment. So first the cable, and you got this little thing to pull out the switches and the keycaps. Okay, so for the cable, it's pretty cool. I mean, you got something to put USB-A, and then when you remove, I think it's USB-C. So the adapter, I don't know how to say it in English, but yeah, you got this thing. You can switch up if you want to, and this is it for the cable. Next up, these are the feet, sorry, for the keyboard. It's magnetic. You just gotta put them under the keyboard and it's gonna be like a little bit upper. You got the little arm to remove keycaps like in every RK boxes. Pretty cool. Nothing's really special with this. Okay, let's move to the keyboard itself. Look at this thing. It's so aesthetic, it's so cool, so nice. You got this little paper user manual. Nobody really cares about it. And the reveal. Just look at this. You got white keycaps. It's like creamy white. You got the gray and the yellow, brown, gold. I don't really know. And all the letters are this brownish color. This is so dope. It's like vintage and aesthetic, something like that. I don't know how to explain, but I think it's so dope. Limited edition, so it's the RK84 updated, like upgraded. It's really nice. At the back you got the on and off switch. You got the Bluetooth and the other little thing that you can connect to your PC gimbal. I don't know how it's called. This little thing right there. USB-A. Just plug this in your PC and you have like 0 latency, 0 delay with your keyboard. Look at this gray. You got 2 USB-A at the front of it and 1 Type-C to plug it in your PC. I mean, 2 Type-A on the front is really useful if you want to plug a controller or headphone. I don't know. Anything you want, sorry. Look at this color. The LEDs at the back are insane. I won't put a rainbow with this keycap color, but I will probably put white or something like that. But just look at the quality of the light. It's really cool. I'm gonna show you with a comparison with my RK60. It's not the same, guys. And listen to this keyboard. Listen. The space bar, insane. You got a bunch of light modes you can switch up. directly on the keyboard, but it's way better to do it on the PC with the software. I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. The software is really cool, to be honest. Okay, enough of sound and lights. Let's try to remove a keycap and take a look at the switch. Boom, easy. Look at this, guys. So clean. So clean. The sound is insane. And when, like, the touch, the feel, it feels not cheap. Okay. If we take a look at the back, these are the feet. Just magnetic, boom. You want it to be higher for your wrist, or I don't even know. I've never used this in my life, but you can do it if you want to. Easy as this. Put it, remove it, boom, boom. No feet anymore. And this is so cool. You can remove the frame to make it look, I would say, more futuristic. I don't really like it. Personally, I prefer with the frame. It feels, I don't know, maybe less cheap. I don't know. I personally keep the frame, but you can do it if you want to. Just remove it if you want. Now let's go to the comparison with my RK60. I got it in the black colorway. Look, just look at the LEDs. They're not the same quality. You can see it on the camera. They're flashing, and the white one is just smooth. This is the size comparison between the 60 and the 80. And I'm gonna show you the difference between the sound of these two. It's insane. It's not even just the way they sound, it's like the way they feel. The white is so stiff, so well built, and the black one, I'm sorry, but it feels a bit cheap. It comes with the price. I mean, there's a difference between these two, and the white one is insane. The feel is insane. So now let's take a look in my setup. This is the white one. I just put it, replace the black one. This is looking so good. I put the white light with the star winkle mode, and just look at this thing, bro. This is insane. I have a full black setup, black and gray setup, but the white just fit so well. I don't know why. Just look at this. I'm gonna stop talking and you can just take a look at this. I'm gonna show you the software before I stop talking, so you can just download it, choose the keyboard, RK84 limited edition, and boom, you got all those light mode. You can choose every single colors. And yeah, so this is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This keyboard is insane. I've been playing with it, writing with it for almost 2 weeks now. 2 weeks, and perfection, to be honest. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just perfect. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, have a great day and see you next time. I'm leaving. You can keep watching if you want to. I'm showing it with the light, and I'm gonna tap on it just for the satisfying sound. Bye. If you have any questions, just write down in the comments. I'm gonna answer as fast as I can. And thanks again. Goodbye.